The monk parakeet, Myositta monachus, also known as the Quaker parrot, is a species of true parrot in the family Psittacidae. It is a small parrot with plumage of green tones in general, somewhat bluish on the wings. The forehead, throat and breast are gray in adults. Long tail. Strong, short and hooked bill, ochre-colored, typical of parrots and parakeets. Its average lifespan is 20 to 30 years. It is a medium-sized bird, approx 11 to 12 inches, 28 to 30 centimeters. It originates from the temperate to subtropical areas of South America, including parts of Argentina, Brazil, Paraguay, Uruguay, and Bolivia. The birds love the Costa del Sol, targeting hot spots like Benalmádena, Fuengirola and Torremolinos. The brightly colored birds were introduced to Spain in the 1970s, and after a few pets escaped, they soon took over the skies. It got so bad, even pet shop sales were banned in the hope of preventing more escaping into the wild. Unlike other parrot breeds, they build community stick nests that can reach the size of a small car. They can endure colder temperatures due to the warm nests they construct, despite originating from warmer regions. Female monk parakeets usually lay 5 to 12 eggs that hatch within 24 days, and their diet consists of seeds, buds, fruits, berries, nuts, and blossoms. The Costa del Sol has an estimated 30,000 parrots in the Malaga area alone. Thanks for watching this video on Costa Walks. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated with all my future content. If you have any questions, then ask away in the comments. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.